channel CSC Education. Today my topic is property of engineering material. Okay, my name is Shwetaparna Das, lecturer in Government Polytechnic, Sonpur. Today my topic is properties of engineering material. In last class I discussed about classification of engineering material. Okay, today properties of engineering material. Engineering materials. Okay. Basically, we know that engineering materials are divided into three parts. Okay. How many parts? Three parts. First one is the physical properties, second one is the chemical properties, and third one is the mechanical properties. First one is the physical properties. First one is the physical properties, then second one is the chemical properties, and third one is the mechanical properties. I describe one by one. Mechanical properties. First is the physical properties. Physical properties of engineering material. Okay. Physical properties of engineering material basically include shape, size, dimension, then density and conductivity. These are color. Okay. Physical properties include what are that? Shape, size, color, okay, dimension, then dimension and density, melting point, okay, shape, size, color, dimension, density, melting point, conductivity, etc. Okay. Then what is density? What is density? Mass per unit volume is known as density. What is density? Mass per unit volume. Mass per unit volume is known as density. In last class also density what is come? In last class density. Okay. In classification of engineering material. Then in chemical properties. Second one is the chemical properties. Here chemical properties I describe in next video. In today's video, I describe about the mechanical properties because it is a most important long question. Okay, it is a most important long question, that is the mechanical property. So that I first describe about the mechanical properties. First of all, what is mechanical properties? Now we know about what is physical properties: shape, size, color, dimension, density, melting point, conductivity, etc. Okay, then what is mechanical properties? Before going to mechanical properties, okay, now what is melting point? Okay, what is melting point? The temperature at which the substance is made is known as melting point. here in melting point, a substance is changes solid to liquid form. Okay, in melting point, a substance is changes from solid to liquid form. Okay, then mechanical properties. What is mechanical properties? Okay, what is mechanical properties? Basically, mechanical properties what? In mechanical properties is the properties of engineering material where it has the ability to, it has the ability to resist the mechanical force and load, is known as the mechanical properties. What is mechanical properties? Mechanical properties of engineering materials is that, or which have the resisting power, or which have the capacity to or ability to resist the mechanical force and load, is known as mechanical properties. Okay, then mechanical properties include, what are the mechanical properties? Mechanical properties include, the points are, mechanical properties include, what are that? First one is the strength. First one is the strength. Okay, first one is the strength. Then stiffness. Stiffness. Okay. Second one is the stiffness. Then third one is the elasticity. And fourth one is the plasticity. And then ductility. Then toughness. Then brittleness. Then after toughness, brittleness. After brittleness, that is the hardness. Hardness, and last one is the grip. Okay, I describe one by one definition. Okay, what is strength, then what is stiffness, what is elasticity, what is plasticity, what is ductility, toughness, brittleness, hardness, and grip. Okay, first one is the strength. Okay, first one is the strength. What is strength? First of all, it is a part of mechanical properties. Okay, it is a point of mechanical properties. Then what is strength? It is the property of a material, or it is the ability of a material to resist the externally applied force. Okay, externally applied force without breaking. It's known as strength. What is strength? Again, it is the ability of a material to resist externally applied force without breaking, is known as strength. Okay. Then what is stiffness? What is stiffness? Stiffness is also a property of mechanical properties of engineering material. Okay. Then what is stiffness? Stiffness, it is the ability of a material to resist deformation under load. Okay, resist deformation under load. Okay, then what is elasticity? Then what is elasticity? Elasticity, it is the property of a material. It is the property of a material regain its original shape. Okay. What is elasticity? It is the property of a material regain its original shape after deformation when the external force is removed. Okay. What is elasticity? Elasticity is the property of a material. Okay. It is the property of a material regain its original shape. Okay. Regain its original shape after deformation when the external force is removed. It's known as elasticity. Then fourth one is the plasticity. What is plasticity? Plasticity, it is the property of a material. Okay, what is plasticity? It is the property of a material which remain the deformation produced under load permanently. Okay, what is plasticity? It is the property of a material which remain the deformation produced under load permanently is known as plasticity. Okay. Then after plasticity, what is ductility? What is ductility? 1/5. What is ductility? Okay. What is ductility? It is the property of a material enabling it to be drawn into wear with the application of tensile force. Okay. What is ductility? It is the property of a material enabling it to be drawn into wear with the application of tensile force is known as ductility. Okay. Then what is after ductility? What is brittleness? What is toughness? After toughness, then brittleness. Okay. What is toughness? It is the property of a material to resist fracture. What is toughness? It is the property of a material. Toughness. It is the property of a material. It is the property of a material to resist fracture due to high impact load. Okay. What is toughness? It will be difficult. Okay, little bit difficult. What is toughness? It is the property of a material. It is the property of a material. Property of a material to resist fracture due to high impact load like hammer ball. Okay, due to high impact load. Okay, then last one is the hardness. Brief definition is not required for us, but if you interested, then comment me in my comment box. Then I will discuss about it also. Okay, it's not required. Okay, then what is brittleness? Brittleness is fully opposite to toughness. What is toughness? It is the property of a material to resist fracture due to high impact load like hammer ball. Okay, hammer ball is known as toughness. Now we know about toughness. Then brittleness means it is fully opposite to toughness. Okay. Then what is hardness? It is the most important property. As compared to other, hardness is the most important property. Okay. Hardness is the most important property of the metals and a wide variety of definition. Okay. Hardness is a wide variety of definition and meaning. Okay. it has many different properties. Hardness has many important properties. Okay, hardness has okay, I write here. Hardness has many important properties. Okay, such as resistance to wear, deformation, and machinability. Hardness it has different properties. Okay, resistance to wear, then deformation, and machinability. Okay, what is hardness? It has wide variety of meaning. It is most important mechanical properties as compared to others. It has different meaning. It has different properties, and from those properties, one is the resistance to wear, deformation, and machinability. Okay, I will give all the notes in my link. Okay, that's the strength, stiffness, all the PDF format from last class to up to this. Okay, in PDF format I will give in the link. Okay, you can also read from that, and you mention the in that PDF I mention all the definition. In today class I said that strength definition, stiffness definition, elasticity, plasticity, ductility, toughness, brittleness, hardness, all the definition are mentioned there. Okay, then you also follow from that and follow from that. Okay, then after that in next not for today class this much, because this is a important long question. Okay, then physical properties. Okay, in today class now we summarize the class from up to the property of engineering material, 3 types, then physical properties and chemical properties. Now I summarize in small. Okay, then okay, first with the in today class we discuss about the properties of engineering materials. In last class we discuss about the classification of engineering materials, metal, non-metals, all those. Okay, then in today class properties of engineering material. First upon engineering material have the 3 properties: physical, chemical, and mechanical properties. First today we discuss about the physical properties. What are that? Shape, size, color, dimension, density, melting point, etc. Also I can say what is density, what is melting point. Okay, then you know all are known about what is shape, size, color, dimension. Okay, then after that the mechanical properties. Mechanical properties include strength, stiffness, elasticity, plasticity, ductility, toughness. Brittleness is the opposite to toughness. Then hardness and creep definition is not required for us. But you have any doubt about creep, and if you want the definition of creep, then comment in my comment box. Okay, then I describe one by one. If you have any doubt from last class up to this, then please comment in my comment box so that I clarify your doubt in my next video. Okay, like this, one by one I complete, or I touch each and every topic of engineering material as per the diploma syllabus. Okay, one by one I touch the chapter one by one from first to last, then but as per the diploma syllabus. Okay, in next class I describe about the chemical properties. Okay, for today class this much. Thank you for the today class. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel CSC Education and share more and more to your friends and family, so that I encourage and give more and more video like this.